Imagine waking up tomorrow with no alarm clock, no boss, and no financial stress. You open your laptop, check your investments, and realize your money is working harder than you ever could. That's not just a dream, that's financial freedom. And today, I'm going to break down step by step how you can get there. Imagine waking up tomorrow with no alarm clock, no boss, and no financial stress. You open your laptop, check your investments, and realize your money is working harder than you ever could. That's not just a dream, that's financial freedom. And today, I'm going to break down step by step how you can get there. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video about building wealth, investing smart, and achieving financial independence. Becoming financially free is one of the most searched topics on Google and YouTube today. People are constantly asking, how do I become financially free? What's the fastest way to financial independence? How can I invest money wisely? And here's the truth. It's not about winning the lottery or making a quick fortune. Financial freedom is a process, and if you follow the right steps, you can get there no matter where you're starting from. In this video, I'll cover the exact roadmap, from shifting your money mindset to controlling expenses, building income streams, and investing for the long term. Stick with me to the end, because I'll also share how to calculate your exact financial freedom number. Financial freedom doesn't necessarily mean being rich. It means having enough assets, income, and investments so that it covers your living expenses. For some people, that might be $40,000 a year. For others, it could be $200,000. The number isn't what matters. It's that you reach a point where, think of it this way, the financially free don't have to work for money. They work because they want to, not because they have to. Before we get tactical, you need the right mindset. Most people trade time for money their entire lives, but financial independence requires a shift. 1. Save to invest, not just to save. A savings account won't make you free. Investments will. 1. Think long-term. Don't chase quick wins or get-rich-quick schemes. Compounding works best over decades. 1. Focus on assets, not liabilities. Buy things that put money in your pocket, like stocks, ETFs, or rental properties. Not just things that take money out like cars and luxury items. You can't manage what you don't measure. Most people have no idea where their money goes each month. Start by tracking every expense for 30 days. Use free tools like Mint, YNAB, or even a simple spreadsheet. Once you see where your money goes, you'll be shocked at how much disappears on small, unnecessary things. Takeout, subscriptions, impulse purchases. The goal here isn't to cut every joy out of your life. It's about redirecting wasted money into investments that will grow your future. Example: if you cut $200 a month from unnecessary spending and invest it, at 8% annual return, you'd have over $300,000 in 30 years. That's the power of control. Before investing, you need a safety net. Life is unpredictable. Job losses, medical bills, car repairs. Without an emergency fund, you'll turn to debt. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. This isn't money you touch for fun. It's your buffer that keeps you safe and prevents debt from wiping out your progress. Think of it as your financial seatbelt. It's not exciting, but it could save your life. Debt is one of the biggest barriers to financial freedom, especially high-interest debt like credit cards. If you're paying 20% interest on a balance, that's money working against you instead of for you. 2 proven methods. Debt snowball, pay off the smallest balance first, then roll payments into the next, builds momentum. Debt avalanche, pay off the highest interest first, saves the most money long-term. Either way, the goal is to eliminate debt fast so you can free up money for wealth building. Relying on a single paycheck is risky. If you lose your job, you lose everything. The wealthy understand this and build multiple income streams. Side hustles like freelancing, consulting, or selling digital products. Investments in stocks, ETFs, and bonds that grow over time. Real estate for both rental income and appreciation. Online income like YouTube, affiliate marketing, or e-commerce. Even an extra $500 a month from a side hustle, invested consistently, can shave years off your journey to freedom. This is where financial freedom is built. Investing is how you turn your money into a machine. Start simple. Index funds and ETFs. They're low-cost, diversified, and historically return about 7 to 10% annually. Dividend stocks. They pay you cash just for owning them. That's passive income. Real estate. Rental properties create both cash flow and equity growth. The magic is in compound interest. For example, if you invest $500 per month at an 8% return, you'll have over $745,000 in 30 years. The earlier you start, the bigger the snowball. Here's where things get real. Calculate how much money you need invested to cover your lifestyle. The 4% rule says you can safely withdraw 4% of your investments each year without running out of money. So if your lifestyle costs $40,000 a year, you need $1 million invested. If you need $80,000, you'll need $2 million. Once you know your number, you can reverse engineer the path. How much to save, invest, and what timeline you're working with. This is the hardest part, not getting distracted. Financial freedom doesn't happen in a month or a year. It takes time, discipline, and patience. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Just because you make more doesn't mean you should spend more. Stay the course, invest consistently, and let compounding do the heavy lifting. Remember, the goal isn't just to be rich, it's to have time freedom. The freedom to wake up every day and live life on your terms. So, let's recap. 1. Shift your money mindset. 2. Track your expenses. 3. Build an emergency fund. 4. Crush bad debt. 5. Build multiple income streams. 6. Invest consistently. 7. Calculate your freedom number. 8. Stay patient and disciplined. That's the roadmap to financial freedom. If you found this video valuable, smash that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. And drop a comment below. What does financial freedom look like for you? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.